Check this out. Got myself a new pump because my old one's giving up on me. I'm gonna show you my aquarium right now. I'm gonna use it for aquarium to pump up water to an actual aquarium, to a filter system. All right. Now this thing sucks in all the pretty much the water from the bottom. So just make sure you have this clear. All right. And it's very simple, just to plug it in and spin in. That's it. It just spins real simple. Suction cup, so it could grab onto the actual glass or to the bottom. They give you a long tube. All right, this is long tubing, and this is good enough for me for actually to add the water to the top of the pump. Now they got different converters, if you guys can see, different converters, because every pump has different entries. You could have a different pipe that you want to reuse, and you could use that. But we're gonna change this one out completely. We're just gonna use this one complete and get rid of the old one, because the old one needs to be changed. So, all right, currently this is my aquarium. The pump, look at the pump. Not strong enough to bring the water. It's just really failing. It is one line here. You guys can see it. It's just right here. It goes into my filter system, drains down, but I'm gonna take out the water too. We're gonna clean the tank too as much as we can. But look at the strong. It's not strong. You see that? It's not strong enough to actually bring any water up. Plug in the pump, but we're gonna drop it a little bit, maybe this much. All right, so you guys can see the power of it, because we want to take some of the water out. So we started the pump. You're gonna see it. It's trying to push the water up. There it is, right here. And I'm gonna show you how strong this thing is. It's trying to push the water to the top. Okay, buckets are up to here already. So we're gonna stop it. We're gonna drain this. We're gonna stop the connection. I'm gonna disconnect it before I drip the whole entire thing. So, all right, we're gonna test our pump out right now while it's still adding water to it. So we're gonna shorten the line. I just want to make sure it works. There's a pump on the corner, pushing everything up. It's quieter than the last one. So we're gonna give it a couple, load it up some more water, and then give some time, see how it works. So the water is running real quick. We're almost full. Look at this. So we are gonna cut the pipe a little shorter, and make sure that I move it around. But if you can see, down there, it's sucking all the water in, going all the way to the top, all the way here, pump it up, coming down. So you guys are looking for a pump, this is it.